Good evening, everyone. My name is Erin, and this is my explanation on cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Catabolic is a process where large molecules are being broken down into smaller molecules in order for the metabolism to react to the cells properly. This process yields energy in order for all of the energy not to be used into this one catabolic process. Anabolic process builds large complex molecules that requires a lot of energy and that needs ATP. So therefore cellular respiration creates ATP and photosynthesis uses ATP. Therefore both of these processes are anabolic. I said that so wrong. The next slide is how the reactants and products of the two processes relate to one another. Well, actually, when I was studying and doing my research, I noticed, and it's actually the formula shows that both cellular respiration and photosynthesis basically share the same thing. The only thing is with cellular respiration equals ATP, which is, I will chop up the word, it's atastrophate. It's atastrophate, and it is made up of 3 major phosphate groups. And photosynthesis, it equals, I want to say it equals light, because you need the light in order to shine down on the plant. In order for the plant to gain nutrients, it has to get nutrients from the light. Anyways, they share carbon dioxide, water, and glucose and oxygen. And all of these basically help form and create a healthy cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Alright, so when I did my research, when I was looking at a YouTube video, to be specific, these processes cannot work without one another, especially photosynthesis. No, cellular respiration cannot work without photosynthesis, because you need ATP in order for photosynthesis to do its job properly. And like I stated previously, the light from the sun produces ATP, and ATP helps break down and make glucose, which is sugar, and that is supposed to help make the plant grow and give it proper nutrients. And my last slide is my resources. I hope you all enjoyed my explanation, even though it was a little choppy. I'm sorry, but I hope you all enjoyed it.